What was the strangest rule you had to respect at a friend's house? No coughing in the kitchen. It doesn't matter that the kitchen was huge, at least 20 feet by 20 feet, or if you covered your mouth. And this was 25 years before COVID. I learned the hard way one Thanksgiving. As an invited guest at my friend's house, I naturally entered the kitchen to ask if her mother needed any help. A sudden tickle hit the back of my throat and I coughed to clear it. Her mother gave me the look of death, turned around, picked up the tray with the cooked turkey on it and proceeded to throw it in the garbage. I was mortified. I ended up leaving shortly after.